Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Move. Today, guys, today we are with Alkaline, yeah, man, with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎 official music video. I've been on the road for the whole evening. Just I reach back in, so I say, yo, I have to do it before I go in bed. What time now for me? 10 to 3 in the morning. Jump in and see what I go on. Let's go.
𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎, go for the Leland. Yo. Yeah, we ain't trick them a pre-man.
Yeah.
Get move up.
Obviously, we done the reaction to the audio already, so I could pay more attention to the video, alright?
Spain town, I talk too much.
Never that.
Bully. We no punk on the battlefield, no we no wet bread. Pussy far around, we am free and go get dead, man not here. Meds like John Un, Vladimir, lose me hell down, now nothing to me, nothing to me.
Yo, one thing with Alkaline, bro. The man just elusive, big word, man, big word. He just elusive, like, you can't see Alkaline nowhere apart from Pana stage show when in book. You can't see him nowhere, dog, nowhere on the road, nowhere a party, nowhere you can't see the man, bro. Superstar lifestyle, the man I live.
Meds like John Un, Vladimir, lose me hell down, now nothing to me, nothing to me. Now industry, I'm a key man. Artists get hype and then sink like quicksand with this strong CW9. Heal it any friction. Shooters them I aim for you. Aim for your head, dog. Full of paper, yeah. Lead them afraid.
Video clean in a 4K, you fuck. Video clean in a 4K, you fuck.
Yeah, we ain't trick them a pre-man. Daddy, get move up. Spain town, I talk too much. Up, down. Bully.
Hey.
We no punk on the battlefield, no we no wet bread. Pussy far around, we am free and go get dead, man not here. Meds like John Un, Vladimir, lose me hell down, now nothing to me, nothing to me. Now industry, I'm a key man. Artists get hype and then sink like quicksand with this strong CW9. Heal it any friction. Shooters them I aim for you, aim for your head, dad. Full of paper, yeah, me them afraid of. Me trick, you can't trick me out here, what?
Yeah.
Style like nah go work.
Never.
Watch the internet, I be an idiot, them run with, bro.
Yeah, man, now watch the internet, man, I be an idiot, them run with for true, man. I be an idiot. Achoo.
Full of paper, yeah.
Achoo.
I'm afraid of. Me trick, you can't trick me out here, what? Can't style like nah go work. Now watch the internet, I be an idiot, them run with, bro.
My pocket full of garbage, spend that fast. Me and them not in a beat, much less same class. When me see some of them a bravo me laugh. All day we flash.
Walk the walk, talk the talk. Don't signs up, talk with that. Can't fuck around, why we start? Walk the walk, talk the talk. Walk the walk, talk the talk. Don't signs up, talk with that. Can't fuck around, why we start? Talk the talk. Nothing don't hire down me. Try for war me. Run a time tire army. Knees up off for the weed, it never did that call me. Use my name to get a viral, it kinda canny. Come round for the.
Yo, the video is what you expect, bro. Like the video is what you expect. High quality from Alkaline, bro. Like high quality, like crazy put together. Big up the production team, bro. Big up the production team, dog. Yeah.
Come round for the ride, love me no aparta. When me tas up me ask if she give a brata.
Yeah.
Rough like my dog, none of them know, sir. Just fuck me a D with no pretty altar.
You see it? The man still double down on the brata line. So when do they so it make all of the naysayers them talk about brata this and brata that and live on that for years till now? I'm gonna say, I'm not care about what no one say. Me gonna say it again, for no talk about it again. Alright, me that slut, me actually she give a brata that the man said. That the man said to me.
Come round for the ride, love me no aparta. When me tas up me ask if she give a brata. Them a rough like my dog, none of them know, sir. Just fuck me a D with no pretty altar. Do what me a do, no take telling. 1,000 gal in a rotation, as a gelding. One shot in a chest.
Yeah, man, not take telling, man. Not take chat, not take telling. 1,000 gal in a rotation as a gelding. Remember, say them done a brand. Remember, say, nah, no youth, and them a gelding. If I be honest, guys. You feel say if Alkaline have a youth, the public are gonna know that. You feel say if Alkaline really have a youth, the public are gonna know that. To how them money move, them money even post, brother. So how you gonna know? And nobody in him camp now go load up that, bro. Him sister them now go load up that. So how not gonna know? You don't know, bro. I know everything the man post. The man post not all apart from him music, the man and them thing that the post, bro. So if the G really have a youth, they're not gonna know, so stop chat. Let the man tell you as a killing.
One shot in 9 chest. DOA, shop for buy more place. No HOA, no them no 100, but still kill for them. Sound look like warrior, but them innocent. Yaga we cut if every day you get up your strength. Just turn up, no wait, pan fall out, what the difference?
Shot fired.
Walk the walk, talk the talk. Don't signs up, that put up. Can't fuck around, why we stand? Walk the walk, talk the talk. Walk the walk, talk the talk. Don't signs up.
Passing I'm shirt and tie outside.
Can't fuck around, why we stand? Talk the talk.
A pocket full of garbage, spend that fast. Me and them not in a beef, much less same class. But me see some of them a brag about me laugh. All day we flash.
Walk the walk, talk the talk. Don't signs up, that put up. Can't fuck around, why we stand? Walk the walk, talk the talk. Walk the walk, talk the talk. Don't signs up, that put up. Can't fuck around, why we stand? Talk the talk.
What do you expect from an Alkaline video, bro?
Talk the talk. Can't fuck around, why we stand?
Yo, the man method them different, bro. The man method different, dog. Like, him method, him drop a song, and 3-4 months down the line, you get the video. I just that him I work with. And if I work for him, I just that him I work with. Yeah, he don't care who want dropped, who want release this, he don't care about none of that shit. Happy belated birthday, MG. Happy belated birthday, Alka. Big up yourself. Go and do it, my family. Hear that? Yeah. Wanna think what I wanna do? Bad you fuck. Wanna think about it? Wanna think? Eh? Clean, as expected. Let me know what you think what I want in the comment section, alright? I'll catch you guys down there. Peace.